Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Hub, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Eve.
Eve, and hello to all our amazing listeners out there. It feels so good to be back with you today.
It's great to have you here again, Adam. How are you doing?
I'm feeling really great, thank you. Super happy and super relaxed.
Ooh, relaxed. That's such a nice word. And honestly, you do look relaxed.
Thanks. I had an absolutely lovely week. How about you? How was your week?
Mine was good, pretty busy with work, but I'm so glad it's time for our podcast again.
Same here. I always enjoy chatting with you and with all of you listening.
And today, we've got a super fun topic, something almost everyone loves to talk about.
Ooh, I'm ready. What is it?
We're going to talk about vacations. Yes, vacations. Doesn't that sound nice?
S. We'll practice how to talk about a vacation in English, how to ask questions, and how to answer them too.
Exactly. Talking about happy things, like a trip, is a great way to practice English without stress.
Totally! But before we dive in, we have a tiny favor to ask.
Yes, if you're enjoying our podcast, could you please take just 1 second to click the like button?
That big thumbs up. It really helps Master English Hub grow. And don't forget to subscribe.
Right. When you subscribe, you'll never miss a new episode.
And if you know someone who's learning English, maybe a friend or family member, please share this episode with them.
And if you know someone who's learning English, maybe a friend or family member, please share this episode with them.
Okay, Eve, I'm all set. Let's talk about vacations.
All right. Earlier, you said you're feeling very relaxed.
I am. And hey, you weren't here last week, right?
True, I wasn't.
Where were you?
Was on vacation.
Ah, I knew it. That's wonderful, Eve. A real vacation.
Yes, it felt so good to take a break from work.
I'm so happy for you. So, where did you go?
I went to the beach.
The beach? Oh, I love the beach. That sounds perfect.
It really was. I adore the beach. The sound of the waves, the ocean breeze.
Two. Which beach did you visit?
A place called Sunshine Beach.
Sunshine Beach? That's such a cheerful name.
Isn't it? And guess what? It was sunny every single day.
No way. So, how was it? Was it a good vacation?
Exactly. I feel refreshed, like a new person.
Refreshed. Great word. So, what did you do? Lots of activities?
True relaxing getaway.
True relaxing getaway.
Yes, no schedule, no plans, just peace.
That sounds perfect. So, what did your mornings look like?
Woke up late, around 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock? Now that's a vacation morning.
Right? Then I had a slow, calm breakfast. Just coffee and fresh fruit.
And after breakfast?
I walked barefoot on the sand by the ocean.
Beach walk. Was it quiet?
Very quiet. Just me and the sound of the waves. So peaceful.
The weather? You said it was sunny.
Perfect. Sunny and warm every single day, not one cloud.
You're so lucky.
I know. After my walk, I went swimming.
In the ocean?
The water was crystal blue, so beautiful.
Cold?
Just a little at first, but after a minute, it felt amazing.
That's the best. I love floating in the sea.
Me too. I just floated, looked up at the sky. Pure bliss.
Eve, you're making me jealous. I need a vacation now.
Sorry. It really was that good.
So, you walked, you swam. Did you read?
Yes, I brought a book and read in a beach chair.
That's my favorite thing ever. Reading by the sea is heaven.
It was so calm. Oh, how long were you away?
1 full week, 7 days.
A whole week. That's just right. Not too short, not too long.
Exactly. And I went with my wife and our 2 kids.
Oh, a family trip. That's so special.
It was. The kids played in the sand all day long.
Did they build sand castles?
Huge ones. With buckets, shovels. They were like little engineers.
That's adorable.
And they found shells. Tiny pink and white ones.
Shells? Did they keep them?
Yes, we came home with a whole bag full. Now they're on our shelf. A sweet memory.
What a lovely souvenir. Sounds like everyone had a great time.
They did. And in the afternoons, we all took naps.
Naps? In the middle of the day?
Yes, the best kind. Vacation naps. Ooh, so cozy.
The beach air really makes you sleepy.
Right? We slept for about an hour. Total silence.
This sounds like the perfect getaway, Adam.
This sounds like the perfect getaway, Adam. Tell me, what did you eat?
Lots of seafood. Fresh fish from the ocean.
Straight from the sea.
Yes, we ate at small beachside restaurants. No cooking for us.
Smart. No cooking on vacation. That's a good rule.
For dinner, grilled fish, rice, and salad. Simple but delicious.
Just sandwiches, quick and easy.
Perfect. But dessert? Please tell me there was dessert.
Of course. Every night, the kids asked for one thing.
Let me guess. Ice cream?
Yes! My son said, you have to eat ice cream at the beach.
He's absolutely right.
So, we walked to this cute little shop every evening.
What flavor did you choose?
Chocolate, always.
Classic choice.
My wife had vanilla. The kids tried everything. Strawberry, mango, even cookie dough.
That's the sound of a happy family.
It really was. Just a simple, joyful week. I'm so glad I had that time.
Me too. You deserve it. Now you're ready for work again?
Yes, recharged and ready.
That was my beach trip. What about you, Adam? Any vacation plans?
Yes, I'm going next month.
Wonderful. Where to?
The mountains.
Ooh, mountains.
No sand, no ocean, just tall trees and fresh air.
I love the mountains too. So quiet and green.
Exactly. I want to hike and breathe that clean mountain air.
Will you relax like I did or be more active?
A bit of both. I'll relax, but I'll also go hiking.
Hiking? Like walking on trails?
Yes, long walks through the forest. Great exercise, and maybe I'll see birds or deer.
That sounds magical.
I'm going with 2 close friends.
Ah, a trip with friends. Always fun.
Where will you stay? A hotel?
No, we'll rent a little wooden cabin in the woods.
A cabin? Like a cozy house in the forest?
Yes, it has a big fireplace. Hot chocolate by the fire in the mountains? Adam, that's a dream.
Right? Hike during the day, then cards, chats, and cocoa at night.
Sounds peaceful, just like my beach week.
Simple joys. I can't wait.
We both love vacations, and they're perfect for practicing English.
Absolutely. Let's review some useful phrases.
Great idea. The main word is vacation, but some people say trip.
Yes, I'm on vacation, or I went on a trip. To ask, where did you go?
And answer, I went to the beach, I went to the mountains, or I went to Paris.
Or Tokyo.
Also, how was it? That means, was it good?
Or, it was terrible.
Oh no. Let's hope it's always wonderful.
Another good question. What did you do?
Yes, answers like I swam, I walked, I read, I ate great food, or I slept a lot.
Simple words, but perfect for real conversations.
Use them with friends, coworkers, anyone.
Well, Eve, our time is almost up.
Already? Time flies when we talk about vacations.
It really does. Thanks for sharing your beach story.
And thank you for telling me about your mountain plans.
To all our listeners, thank you for being here.
Yes, we hope this helped your English. If you liked it,
Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Master English Hub.
and share this episode with a friend learning English. It really helps.
Now, we have a question for you.
In the comments, tell us, where did you go on your last vacation?
Or, if you haven't had one recently, where would you love to go?
Your dream trip? Beach, mountains, a big city?
We'd love to read your answers. In English, of course. It's great writing practice.
And we truly enjoy reading every comment.
Thanks again, everyone. See you next time on Master English Hub.
Bye, Adam. Have a lovely week.
You too, Eve. Goodbye, friends.